We will share with you how to fix the wrong time on Android in this video. Fix 1. Turn off and on automatic date and time settings. Step 1. On your Android phone, go to the Settings app, scroll to System or Additional Settings, select Date and Time. Step 2. Turn off automatic date and time. Wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can reset the synchronization with your network provider. Fix 2. Enable automatic time zone. Step 1. Access settings on your Android phone. Then navigate to System or Additional Settings. Step 2. Turn on automatic time zone. This ensures your device adjusts to the correct time zone based on your location. Fix 3. Restart your Android phone. Sometimes, restarting the phone can solve many problems, including fixing the incorrect time on your Android phone. To restart your Android phone, simply press and hold the power button until a menu bar pops up. Then select Restart from the options. Fix 4. Manually set Android time. Step 1. Follow the steps in Fix 1 to reach the date and time page, and you will see two options: Set Date and Set Time. Step 2. Click on them to manually set the correct time and date. Fix 5. Adjust the time zone manually. If you prefer not to enable the location services on your phone, but still want to change the time on your Android device by adjusting the time zone, you can manually select the time zone. Just like the previous method, this option is also located in the same place. Once you reach the date and time settings page, choose Select Time Zone to manually change the time zone. Fix 6. Update Android system. Step 1. To update your Android phone, open Settings, then go to System and choose System Update. Step 2. If updates are available, download and install them. Software updates often contain bug fixes that can resolve issues with time settings. Fix 7. Use Samsung Repair just for Samsung. Step 1. Once you launch Samsung Repair on your PC, click on Repair and choose Android Repair. Next, connect your Samsung phone to the PC using a USB cable. Step 2. From the interface, choose the brand, name, model, country, and carrier of your Samsung phone. Following your choices, click Next to move on after typing 000 to confirm. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter download mode on your Samsung device. After that, click Next to allow the tool to download the Samsung firmware and flash it to your smartphone. Your Samsung time will be right after this procedure is finished.